Why your belly fat won't go away, causes and solutions. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us struggle with, stubborn belly fat. If you've been wondering why that excess weight around your stomach just won't go away, you're in the right place. Belly fat. Belly fat is not just about appearance, it can affect your health, energy levels, and confidence. And with busy lifestyles and unhealthy eating habits, it's a challenge that many people face. But don't worry, we're going to explore the causes and effective solutions to help you tackle it. Causes of belly fat. First up, why does belly fat build up? It often comes down to poor diet, lack of activity, hormonal imbalances, stress, aging, or underlying health conditions. Recognizing these causes is the first step toward addressing them. One. Poor diet. Consuming high amounts of sugar, refined carbs, and processed food can lead to fat accumulation around the belly. 2. Lack of physical activity. Sedentary lifestyles and insufficient exercise reduce calorie burn and promote fat storage. 3. Hormonal imbalances. Elevated cortisol, stress hormone, and insulin resistance can promote belly fat growth. 4. Stress and sleep deprivation. Chronic stress and poor sleep can increase cravings and hormone levels that favor fat gain. 5. Genetics and age. Genetics play a role in fat distribution, and aging slows down metabolism, making fat harder to lose. 6. Medical conditions. Conditions like hypothyroidism or polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can contribute to stubborn belly fat. Common mistakes that sabotage fat loss. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. Many people buy into the myth of spot reduction, but sadly, you can't target fat in just one area. Extreme diets can backfire, and neglecting strength training, inconsistent routines, poor sleep, and not tracking your progress can all hinder your results. 1. Spot reduction myths. Believing you can target fat loss in specific areas through exercises like sit-ups or crunches alone. 2. Extreme dieting. Crash diets or severely restricting calories can slow metabolism and lead to muscle loss, making fat loss harder. 3. ignoring strength training. Solely focusing on cardio and neglecting muscle-building exercises can reduce overall metabolic rate. 4. Inconsistent routine. Lack of consistency in diet and exercise routines hampers progress. 5. Overlooking sleep and stress. Poor sleep and high stress levels disrupt hormonal balance, hindering fat loss. 6. Not tracking food intake. Being unaware of calorie consumption can lead to overeating, even if eating healthy foods. 7. Effective solutions. So, what works? Focus on balanced nutrition, regular exercise, managing stress, and getting enough quality sleep. Track your progress, stay consistent, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. One. Adopt a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. 2. Exercise regularly. Incorporate both cardiovascular activities, like walking, jogging, and strength training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. 3. Manage stress. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Find activities that help you relax and unwind. 4. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. 5. Monitor and track progress. Keep a food diary or use apps to track your intake and habits. Be patient and consistent. Results take time. 6. Consult healthcare professionals. Address any underlying medical conditions with your doctor. Consider working with a nutritionist or a personal trainer for personalized guidance. Conclusion. Remember, stubborn belly fat isn't something that happens overnight. It takes consistent effort, the right habits, and patience. Focus on nourishing your body, staying active, managing stress, and getting enough rest. With time and persistence, you can achieve your goals. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your questions or tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness advice. Thanks for watching, and stay motivated on your journey. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.